Welcome to our detailed comparison of Quillbot and Grammarly, two leading writing assistant tools. Starting with features, Grammarly offers spelling, grammar, punctuation, and style corrections, along with a plagiarism checker. It also provides detailed explanations for corrections and weekly progress reports. On the other hand, Quillbot focuses more on paraphrasing. It restructures sentences while maintaining the original meaning, making it a great tool for avoiding plagiarism and improving sentence readability. However, it doesn't offer the same depth of grammar and style corrections as Grammarly. Moving on to pricing, Grammarly offers a free version with basic corrections, but for advanced features like plagiarism detection and vocabulary enhancement, you'll need the premium version, which starts at $11.66 per month. Quillbot also has a free version, but to unlock its full paraphrasing capabilities and remove the word limit, you'll need the premium version, which starts at $14.95 per month. So Grammarly offers a more affordable premium option. In terms of user experience, both tools are intuitive and easy to use. Grammarly can be used as a browser extension, desktop app, and mobile keyboard. It underlines errors in your text and offers suggestions on hover. Quillbot, while primarily used through its website, also offers a Google Chrome extension. You paste your text, click Quill it, and it provides a paraphrased version. However, Grammarly's multiple platforms give it an edge in terms of accessibility. When it comes to integrations, Grammarly is compatible with most platforms and apps, such as Google Docs, Microsoft Office, and even social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. Quillbot, however, currently only integrates with Microsoft Word. This means Grammarly provides more flexibility for users across different platforms. Performance-wise, both tools are efficient. Grammarly checks your text quickly and accurately for errors and offers real-time suggestions. Quillbot also efficiently restructures sentences, but sometimes the paraphrasing can alter the original meaning of the sentence or sound unnatural. Therefore, Grammarly's performance is more reliable. In terms of security, both tools are trustworthy. Grammarly uses encryption to protect your data and doesn't access your text unless you're using the tool. Quillbot also ensures data privacy and deletes your text 72 hours after you've entered it. Both are committed to maintaining user privacy. Customer support is crucial for any tool. Grammarly provides email support and has a comprehensive FAQ section on its website. Quillbot, on the other hand, offers support via email and social media. Both have their strengths, but Grammarly's FAQ section is more detailed and therefore provides better self-help options. Our winner today is Grammarly. It's more affordable, offers a wider range of corrections, integrates with more platforms, and is generally more reliable in its performance. While Quillbot excels at paraphrasing, its usefulness is more niche, and its premium version is more expensive. However, both tools have their unique strengths, and the best one for you depends on your specific writing needs. Thank you for watching this comparison video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more comparisons like this one. We appreciate your support.